Hi there. So today we've just come out to Tabernas and now we're going to head up towards Uleda del Campo and Gurgal and Cala Alto. Today I'm out with my friend Anibal and his Continental GT 650, and yeah, later on we might swap bikes, so that should be fun. So let's go. So if we stayed on this road, eventually we would get to Velafik, and then we'd climb up to Alto Velafik, but today we're going to turn off a little bit before Velafik onto the road to Uleda del Campo, which is the road we took coming the other way on the one ride. And then we're going to take that road to Uleda del Campo and then Gurgal. And from Gurgal we're going to climb up to Cala Alto, the observatory, which I can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there on the top of the mountain. So that's where we're going to head. And when we get to Gurgal, we're planning on swapping bikes, because I've never tried the Continental 650. Anibal has had a little go on the Meteor, but only a very brief one. But he's thinking about getting one of the military classic 350s, so it'd be a good opportunity for him to see how he gets on with the 350 engine, whether he thinks that's going to be enough. So yeah, it'll be a little bit of added interest today. I get to swap bikes for a bit. So I'm filming this the day after I bought the Guerrilla. I wasn't expecting to ride today, but Anibal messaged me, said he wanted to go out. I was intending to edit a video today, but that'll have to wait. Unfortunately, the sun is out. It's a little bit cold to begin with today, but it's warming up nicely now. And today I'm trying out for the first time the new gloves, the Royal Enfield gloves, which Motos Meteor kindly donated after I bought my Guerrilla. They're very comfy and nice and warm. Very happy with them. They've only got one downside: they've got absolutely no touch screen ability. I can't touch the screen, I can't operate the phone at all with these gloves on. So I might have to stick something on one of the fingers to make that possible, because that is a real nuisance. But coming out here today to Tabernas, I was amazed by how green everything is. For southern Spain, it's most unusual. A lot of the hillsides were really bright green. Obviously that's one of the upsides of all the rain we've had. Although one of the downsides is that my allergies have already kicked off. So yeah, my nose has been running quite a lot this morning. That doesn't normally happen until about February, March time. Right, so straight on will take you to Velafik, and then ultimately Alto Velafik, which is up there, up the mountain there. But we're going this way. So you may recognise this road. This is the final part of the one ride this year. We came down the opposite way and ended up here. But today we're going to climb up this way instead. into the nice narrow section where you have to watch out for people coming the other way. This road seems a lot steeper coming down it, I must say. When we came up it didn't seem that steep at all, but yeah, coming down it's a pretty steep one. Well, this road surface was a bit shite. That's better. That was very bumpy. Quite a lot of loose tarmac on there as well. This is slightly better now, at least it's not loose, but it's still pretty bumpy. Just around here we're going to stop and swap bikes for a little bit, and I'm going to climb up to Cala Alto on the Continental GT 650, which will be a nice experience, I'm sure. So here we are. So thanks to Anibal, I get to try his Continental and he gets to try my Meteor. He actually said he was looking forward to the Meteor because the Continental has tired him out a little bit, so he's looking forward to a nice rest on buddy. So let's go. So Ruby, thank you for looking after the house for Daddy while he was out with Anibal. You like Anibal, don't you? Yeah, you love his dog, don't you? Yeah, you do. You love Pablo. Does everybody know why you love Pablo? You love Pablo because he lets you eat his dinner when you're around there, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Never mind dinner. What about those sausages? Well, today's sausages are from Steve at the Norfolk Thunderbolt. Yes, I know. Very exciting. Thank you, Steve. Steve actually has his own YouTube channel, and he's a fellow Royal Enfield enthusiast. Yes, he is. So, yeah, if you haven't checked out Steve's channel yet, please do. Oh my God, this is torture for Ruby. Sorry about this. There you go, Ruby. Oh, sausage. Oh, thanks, Steve. Oh, nice one. And that Steve got a cat. He has got a cat, yeah. Oh, I like cats. Couldn't eat a whole one.